Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal and I am back with another video. So in today's video, your girl will be curling her hair. My hair has just been freshly washed and I did do a video on that showing you guys a new shampoo and conditioner that your girl used. So if you haven't seen that video, definitely go watch that one first because this is technically part 2 of your girl's whole hair routine. We're gonna be trying a new product today. Your girl has been using it for the past 2 weeks or so, maybe a little bit more, because you guys know I like to get down and dirty to the nitty-gritty of a product before I come on here and do a review and share my thoughts with you guys. I've been using this for a good amount of time, but I have not used it in terms of curling my hair. I really have been using this to put my hair up because the last few weeks your girl has been super lazy. I have really not been in the mood to deal with my hair at all. So I've been using that to kind of slick it back and just put it up, and it's been fairly okay in that sense. Obviously, in terms of bringing out my curls, your girl has not tried it, so I think now would be the perfect opportunity for me to do that. If you want to see your girl get my hair together, get it out of this little rut that it's in right now because it's looking kind of crazy, it's looking like it needs some moisture, let it dry, all of that. If you guys want to see how your girl's gonna get my hair together and really bring my curls back to life, then definitely watch today's video, give it a thumbs up. But before we get into that, make sure you're subscribed to your girl's channel, make sure your post notification is turned on so you get an alert every time your girl posts a new video. And make sure you're following me on social media. Everything will be in my description bar below, including the links for the products that your girl will be using. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Today we're going to be using the Pattern Stronghold Gel. I have been super late in trying this collection or this brand. I have seen a lot of videos about using certain products, but I don't think I've ever really dived into any like tutorials or anything like that in terms of finding out how the product works. So your girl kind of just went in and started like just trying certain things on my own. So I've been using this along with the edge control for more than 2 weeks. Love the edge control, but I think what I'll do is I'll probably try to show you guys a little bit at the end because I don't really think I have much product left in there. But this whole gel I want to try in terms of just curling my hair. I just washed my hair, like it's freshly damp, and I just kind of want to go in and see how this works on my hair specifically. So this particular product, it's a Stronghold gel. It is formulated for curlies, coilies, and tight textures when you need a healthy hold for a slick look, right? So it says to apply on wet or dry hair and style into a slick look. It's also great for styling in between washes. It smells amazing. I can't put my finger on it. I'm not sure what exactly they used in this, but it has just a fruity, amazing, mesmerizing smell that just makes you want to keep smelling it like over and over and over and over and over again. I'm gonna use this in my hair. I've already sectioned a part off. It's a little wet. My hair kind of got dry because we had a little intermission break. But yeah, this is what the gel looks like. Has a really good consistency, like a good amount of stickiness. I am like obsessed with the smell. It smells so good. But yeah, so just gonna rub it into one part of my hair and we're gonna see what it looks like after. So clearly you could tell the difference between my hair just being wet and actually adding in the product. So this is after adding product to the whole section. This is what it looks like. So it actually looks really cute. So I'm just taking out strands and I'm just twirling them around, just to kind of curl them down. But yeah, this is like a new technique that I started doing. Before I used to just put the product in my hair and call it a day, but I realized like the curls would fade after a certain amount of time, so this is a better strategy, I feel, in terms of letting like each curl be individually like curled with the product, so it ends up looking way better like this. So there you go, this is all of it curled. Of course, I'm not gonna do all of this in the video, it's gonna take way too long. So I'm gonna do all of my hair and then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, and then of course I'm gonna let it settle, and then when I wake up tomorrow, I'll see what it looks like. But the product feels good, it looks amazing. I love the slip, I love just the perfect amount of like stickiness. Like, it's not too much, and of course the product smells amazing. And of course, if you wash your hair, you want it to smell good, so it's like super important for a product to actually smell good. But Pattern just nailed it, like completely nailed it. The edge control smells amazing too. This is the edge control. I can show you guys this as well. Look, it's completely empty. Your girl has really been using it, so I'm not just saying I like it just to say that. Like, the edge control is really good, and this one smells amazing too. Like, she just, I don't know, they just nailed it with the scent of their products. It smells so good. But anyway, let me finish the rest of my hair and then I'll come back to show you guys the final result. So this is after I fully curled my hair. This is with everything done. I just want to show you guys really quick. The back is sort of already dried up, but the front is still wet because I literally just finished it. So I have no idea how I'm gonna rock this throughout the week, but I love how it looks. I love the definition, I love the shine. So far I have not seen any flakes, so fingers crossed that there are no flakes, and then your girl can use a nice pick and I could fluff this up, you know, and make it a lot more, give it a lot more body. Right now I feel like I'm looking like a little, like a schoolgirl, but we're gonna rock it and we're gonna fix it up and make it look like something. But anyway, this is the final result. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love these products. So if you haven't tried them out, definitely go try them out. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl's channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. Make sure your post notification bell is on. As always, I love you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video.